Hey friends, in this video we will see how we can set the custom logo on your email account, on your Google email accounts through the Google admin panel. Currently we can see there is a default logo Google is showing on the right side of your email account, and once we will set the custom logo, so it will be replaced. So for creating or to uploading a logo, you need to log in on your Google admin panel. So Google admin panel can be logged in through the admin.google.com, or you can just click on these buttons over here and you can log in with this icon. Currently I have already logged in with the admin panel, so I'm just going to see how we can set the custom logo through the Google admin panel. So for that you need to click on the account settings. In the account settings, there are the various type of settings are there, but currently we are just going to set the logo for your email accounts, for your domain, email domain, and for that you need to click on the personalization and logo option over here. And once you click over the logo option, so there are the two things which is showing inside the logo: default logo and custom logo. Default logo comes once you create an account without specifying any custom logo. So this is the default logo. But when you upload the custom logo, so just you need to put the check over here, and you need to upload a image file, either that is PNG or GIF, and it should be 320 into 132 pixels and not bigger than 30 KB. So and also Google is just advising you do not include any Google trademarks. And if you want to learn about the Google trademarks, so just you need to click over learn more. I'm just going to upload an image file, and this image file is the logo, custom logo, that is going to be set for the all accounts that is going to be created on Google admin panel. Now after uploading this file, Google logo review is over here. You can see how logo will be visible on your email account on the right side. So just you need to click on the save option. Once you have saved, so just you need to verify either this logo is visible on your account or not. So you need to log in with your account. I'm just going to log in with a test account because this amit.gupta@stackabc is already logged in while we were changing the logo. So I need to log out this account as well to see the changes, or I need to log in with different account. I'm just going to log in with the test01@stackabc.com. Password is already saved over here, and I can see logo is still Google, right? So we need to verify why this logo is coming. So I'm just logging out over here, and we'll see again. It might be changes were not replicated, but now you can see the logo is visible over here. So you need to verify if your logo is matching your criteria or not. So in my case, Stack ABC, this is a very temporary logo which I have created to testing on our Google admin panel. But you need to be careful while creating the logo. You need to follow these all things. It should be PNG and GIF, then it will also visible as you required over here. So this is the way to setting the custom logo for all accounts on your Google admin panel. In the next video, we will see some new features on Google admin panel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.